Skin Functional, we understand how debilitating it can be to have chronic dry skin. This is why we have spent a great deal of time formulating the Skin Barrier Balm, which is indicated for chronic dryness and mild eczema. This deeply hydrating balm is here to repair dry skin to optimal skin health. Formulated with vegan-friendly Lanolin, which provides a 30% reduction in transepidermal water loss. It softens the skin and improves the appearance of rough, dry, and flaky areas. Lanolin has a number of functions in the skin, namely Occlusive. Lanolin is another occlusive substance that creates a barrier of protection on the skin's surface. This barrier aids in retaining moisture and shields the skin from environmental stresses like wind and pollution. Soothing. Skin irritation and inflammation can be reduced because of the anti-inflammatory characteristics of Lanolin. It is frequently utilized in skincare products for sensitive skin or skin that is prone to inflammation as well as redness. Healing. It has been demonstrated that Lanolin possesses healing qualities that can aid in promoting skin regeneration and repair. It is frequently found in the skincare products for dry, damaged, or cracked skin. Emollient. Lanolin works as an emollient, which means it can smooth and soften the skin. It can hydrate the skin for a very long time by penetrating deep into its layers. Another key ingredient in this formulation is the underrated Theobroma grandiflorum seed butter, a seed originated from Brazil that treats skin conditions, protects the skin, provides antioxidant benefits while deeply nourishing the skin. The infamous shea butter moisturizes skin, soothes and calms skin, reduces signs of aging, and plays a role in healing skin conditions. In summary, this Skin Barrier Balm offers a deeply hydrating and nourishing treatment indicated for extremely dry skin, formulated with ingredients that have significant ability in treating skin disorders and accelerated wound healing. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and you will be notified every time we release new content. Bye for now.